Welcome to Sima's Way Cooking. Today we're going to prepare a very easy dessert. I'm calling it cream cones. Let's start. First we put a phyllo dough sheet and we brush it with oil. Then we cut it in rectangular pieces and we fold it like triangle, as you can see in the video. Then we brush both sides with vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil because it's lighter and has less calories than the butter. Then we cut one of the sides with scissors. We open it and make it a cone, and we put inside a piece of aluminum foil or parchment paper so that the sides don't stick, and we bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Once it's baked, we remove the aluminum foil, we drizzle some sugar syrup on top, and we put it aside. Meanwhile, we prepare the cream. We put 1 liter of milk in a pot on the stove to warm it up. Then we separate 5 egg yolks. We add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. We mix it well. Then we add 1 teaspoon of orange blossom and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Then once the milk is warm, make sure it's not boiled. If you put your finger, you can still tolerate the temperature. And gradually you add it into the egg mixture. If you add it all at once, your egg can crumble and becomes like a scrambled egg. Once all of the ingredients are incorporated, you pour the mixture back into the pot and you put it on the stove and cook until it becomes a pudding-like consistency. Then you pour it into a bowl, cover it with saran wrap so that it doesn't make a skin layer, and set it aside to cool down. Once the cream is cool enough, you put it in a piping bag and you add the mixture into your cones. At the end, you decorate it with some chopped pistachio. It's very crunchy, very delicious. You can decorate it by putting it in a plate and wrapping it with clear paper. Especially if you're going to visit somebody, then this is very appealing. And it tastes so good. You have to try this recipe. Enjoy!